Mitchell.
And I'm Tanner McIver.
And today I'm going to show you, yes, I know I'm editing a video, I'm going to show you how to make a video game via Unity 3D. Well, me and Tanner are actually. So, let's see what Tanner's created. Now, Tanner's using the Bootcamp demo, and so am I. Crap. Here, minimize that. Sometimes you'll get compiler script errors. Actually, go under. I know it's wrong. Delete the scripts folder. When you get compiler errors, just delete scripts, okay? No, dang it. Or just delete that. Delete either the scripts folder or that folder. Alright, so as you can see on my screen, what I've made is, we're both running Windows 7, and we're both running Unity 3D, the latest version, 3.3.3, or 3.3.0, whatever, I don't know. So what I'm using actually is the Bootcamp demo, which comes with Unity. Now, to find this Bootcamp demo, what you do is you just go to Start, go to Documents, and make sure you install the Bootcamp demo with Unity. Make sure of that. And what you'll do is you will go to Unity Projects, and enter. Come on, this is not the time to be freezing up. Alright, and you'll find Bootcamp demo. So double click on that, and double click on Assets. And now, I have extra assets, so these won't be here, and open up the Bootcamp thing that's under Unity scene file. And then you'll get something that looks approximately like this. Now, I'm using the Bootcamp project to make a different game called Yellow Skies. Now, as you can see, actually, so is Tanner. We are both making the same game. Tanner's right now, we've edited the house that's later in the game so that you can, and it's on fire. Now, Yellow Skies is a futuristic game, and there's no humanity. Wow, that's not good. I think it might be new material. I have no idea, Tanner, what's actually causing this. Delete.
It'll probably work if you go change it to wide.
Alright. No, that wouldn't change it. So we're having some technical difficulties with Tanner's computer. Delete scripts, Unity, images, effects. That's what you have to do. Well, you have to follow the bottom error code, actually right down here, and it'll tell you it's in Assets, Scripts, Unity, Image Effects. Did you just delete that?
Yep.
Okay, now, this is only if you get compiler script errors. Now that we've deleted it, it may work. Yeah, I think it is working. It's just taking its sweet time. Now, as you can see in mine, so what you want to do first of all is, this is your hierarchy. So this is what is in your project so far. You can switch the views. When you first get Unity, it will look like this. It's in the wide view. Just wait. It's actually, so here's your scene, and here's your game. It's actually much easier to use Unity if you make it in 2x3 mode.
Editor now.
Yeah. So, this doesn't really matter. It's just this thing right here is just like the views that you're in. So you can view it like that, or don't remember what I had it in before, or like back.
Perspective.
You can flip it all. Pretty much that looks kind of weird. That's the bottom of it, left. I'm not actually sure what I was in before.
Perspective.
Probably. I don't know. Yeah, usually you're in perspective mode. So if you want to see your stats on your video card, just click on the stats. You'll see that. Here, we'll do that on here too. So you can see Tanner's computer is off. It's clearly much better at graphics than mine is. So if you see, here you can do, you can explain Maximize on Play and how to build it. Okay.
So like maximize on play is when you click play and it goes like really big.
So it's basically you're playing the game sort of full screen mode. We'll have to fix this. There's some troubles actually going on. So when it doesn't let you play the game and it's complaining about something, look down here and you'll often see the problem of where it is. So now Tanner's gonna explain how to build your game after you've completed it.
So, what you have done is go in the file.
Here, just click on the top. Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
File, build and run,
Build settings,
or
actually.
build settings.
Yeah, you don't want to. Well, build and run, you can do that too, but what it does is it builds it, then it runs it,
Yes.
which may not be exactly.
And you can do it for a phone, like
Android
iPod, an iPod,
Xbox
PC
360.
or Mac, PlayStation 3, Wii, Xbox 360. So you can technically do it on lots of stuff.
Yeah, you can also do it on a web player, which is a Flash game online. So, player settings. When you click on player settings, you can change things like the company name and the product name, and also the default icon for your game, which actually works quite well. So, because it's yellow skies, actually move up Tanner. The game icon is, I think it's that one. It shows the sky. Double click. Okay, there. Also, what I like to do is click on resolution, and you can change the default resolution, or you can change it to run it in full screen. So that's just a tip, you know. And when you're done, you just click on build. We'll cancel it, okay? And you can save as file type as exe, which is of course an application setting on Windows. Or if you're building it for Mac, sorry Tanner, I'm just using it from the side. If you're building it for Mac, you would just click on under Windows. You would click on PowerPC. Everybody loves the good old PowerPCs, and you click on build. It will build it as an app file on the Mac. But we're building for Windows because Windows phones. Sorry to you Mac fans, but Mac just kinda everybody
Rocks.
knows how Mac is sometimes. Mac can be annoying. Okay, so now I'll explain how to add a skybox. Now, a skybox is your skies in the game. To give you an example, actually, here I'll click on maximize on play so you guys can see. So when I'm playing the game, just wait. Also download the Island demo. It doesn't come in the newer versions of Unity. You'll have to find it on the Unity website, which it's easy to find though. I'm just waiting for this. Actually, it's kind of slow. So, what are you working on, Tanner?
Oh, nothing.
Yeah. Well, me and Tanner, of course, are working on the same game right now. We're just rendering different
Should I delete
parts
this?
of it, really.
Editor?
No. Just delete cutscene birds.
Where's
So
that?
I'm just waiting for my laptop. Actually, it's being really slow, but of course.
Oh, cutscene animations.
Yeah. So basically, when you're having troubles in Unity, just follow the error code on the bottom, and you'll delete it somehow. You'll find a way. Everybody does. I'm very sorry about this, you guys. My computer is actually frozen. Oh, never mind. It's working. Oh my, good heavens. So of course, it's a mouse look script, but as you can see, I have oh my goodness, this is kind of messed up. I have a yellow sky behind me. Now, okay, so now I've unchecked play, so it now should minimize. If it doesn't, just click up here, and then a little drop down thing will come down and it'll say minimize. As you can see, my computer's getting very hot right now. It's 69 degrees Celsius, now it's 70. So we'll probably want to do this on a desktop. As you can see, I'm on my Acer laptop.
And mine's 66.
Yep. Alright, so, also, under free aspect, you can change it to be 16 by 9, 5 by 4, 4 by 3, 3 by 2, 16 by 10, or just a standalone high definition or 720p. Free aspect is good. I also like 16 by 9, but yellow skies is gonna be free aspect. Yeah, just follow down here. You'll have to delete probably a lot of the stuff. So also, how to add a skybox? What you do, you create. First of all, you make sure you have skyboxes to begin with, and those are found in standard assets, and these should come with Unity. So
I think I got mine going.
yep. So here's Dawn Dusk is what we're using for yellow skies right now because it's yellow. I've already added all those images, but Eerie is a different skybox, and as you can see, if you added this right now, there wouldn't be a sky because there's no images. So what you'll do,
There we go. Here's
down.
mine.
Yeah, there we go. Tanner's got his fixed, but your guy isn't moving. Oh, okay. Close it and don't save because so when Unity does this, click on don't save because it means that something got messed up. Maybe not you, but something got messed up. I had to do this this morning, so Tanner just has to leave for a sec. So under Eerie, you'll see all these different pictures, and so the front, you'll want to drag them into there. Front and back, and there's a left one, and there's a right one also. Alright, so Tanner's back. Now just reopen Unity. So now once you get all of these, basically, I'm not going to do all of them, but once you get them all located, like I have in the Dawn Dusk one, which I automatically located them, so now once you do that, you want to, if you're making a custom material, what you do is you go under Create, just wait, it's very slow, goodness gracious, come on. Okay, so under Create, I made a new folder, didn't I? Very annoying.
As you can see, I just had Rocket Dock on the top, and I am opening Unity because it's a lot easier to do it, to make stuff on Unity when there is not that much stuff on the top.
Yeah, well, that's why you quit Rocket Dock when you're in Unity, because as you can see, when you need to go up to window, it will pop up, but it's not right now. So you'll under Create, you'll click Create, you'll make a new material, and it will look sort of like this. So once you do that, you'll get that material. Oh, by the way, once you get the material, make sure it's on Render FX and under Skybox. Then what you'll do, you'll click on File, and or not File, sorry, Edit. And you'll click on Render Settings, and then you click on this little circle and Skybox Material, and you search the skybox that you just made. Dawn. So I just searched Dawn, and here it is. Here's Dawn Dusk Skybox. Well, I can click on it because I've already fixed it and made it. Alright, so there's how to add a skybox. Now, is it still working? No.
Everything else is moving except the guy.
I'll find a way to fix it, okay? Well, actually, I know. We'll just reopen the bootcamp thing, but we'll do that later. So, if you want to go get some more assets, which are, of course, things in the game, go up to Window and open Asset Store, or hit Control 9. This will open in a new tab. Okay. And by the way, you can only add things to the project if it's it will have to look like this, which means it's an object. And also what you'll need to do, if it's a train, you can add trains also. Okay? So now we're just waiting
as
for
it's
the
loading.
Asset Store. So basically, also if you want to look around in your game, use this hand, and you can, and also scroll to zoom in on your game. Let me just make it perspective mode so I can see better. And basically, so I can just look at stuff in the game and move it around. Well, not move it, but if you're on the grab mode, like I am right here, it will let you, basically it's so that you can see more stuff in the game. If you want to actually move something in the game, you select the object that you want to move, and you click on that, but I don't want to move. So, questions or comments, email me, or just leave them in the comment section below, which is obviously much easier than just dropping me an email, but, you know, you can email me if you want, if for whatever reason you have a question that you don't want to see, or anyways, but, so pretty much that's it. Alright, thanks for watching, bye.